Hey guys, I want to become a tornado. Da, 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 tum, 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 da, 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 da. Ba, 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 What are special? Dun, dun, dun. And yes, guys, I love. By the way, I'm very interested in tornadoes. R.I.P. Twistex. R.I.P. Twistex. I'll just say that. Good luck, Tim. Boy, can you be a supercell? Now who pulled the whole fucking floor? Excuse me, is he a blue fucking water tornado? We only see those in TikTok, bro. Watch out, there is a EF0 couldn't lift all of this, come on. Only lift like tree branches or something. Just a little bit more. Work or I like when you just like scroll like this. Is that a fire tornado? Did I just see a fire tornado? Do those even exist? That can be an EF. I got 500. Ah, here. Wait. Okay, 1,005. EF2. I'm gonna try to become the El Rhino tornado. And again, RIP Twistex. What's your guys' biggest tornado you ever saw? I saw an EF3 in Bosnia. It was a little bit of a wedge. I had the whole fucking floor with me. Good luck, Tim. And the job, and the great. This is every single tornado I know. El Rhino, Greensburg, Joplin, Doug, RP, Doug Hopper. What is? Well, I don't know. On tornado, I might be a new gen, but I'm new to tornadoes. $100 more, come on. Could be an EF2 tornado. Is that a balloon tornado, or should I say fucking a water tornado? What the fuck does that mean? Did the tornado just stuck up blue paint and then there you go? Does that even? I hope if it costs Robux, I'm ready to create. Yo, so. Or can I like go to other places? Or is that never? I am a fire tornado. Oh, I'm killing people. I killed. Dr. Proctor. Oh my god! Crap, let me just kill you down. I'm halfway there. Yeah, how much you need to kill? 4,000, okay. Dr. Proctor. How to become a fire tornado, you ask? I don't fucking know. I'm flinging the objects. How insane is that? This guy's just like me. Yeah. Nah. Bruh. Where? Yo, so wait, how do you like go to different maps? I wanna go there. Why can't I go there? What? Yeah, what the? Okay, guys, I think we have to end the video. So, bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed it, and then I will be posting part 2 of this game. Bye.